Hello everyone, let's solve today's daily problem, Leetcode 166, fraction to recurring decimal. So given two integers representing the numerator and the denominator of a fraction, return the fraction in string format. Okay, if multiple answers are possible, return any one of them. It is guaranteed that the length of the answer is less than 10 power 4 for all the given inputs. Okay, so is there a bracket? What's 4 divided by, wait, what the? Let's just, 4 divided by, let's call this numerator, denominator. Okay, enclose them in parentheses. Okay, if it's repeating, enclose them in parentheses. Fine. Okay, so what do we do here? Um, it's guaranteed that the length of the answer string is less than 10 power 4. Right. Yesterday's problem was a stack question. I'm not sure if this is, how do we even solve this? Yeah, let's consider S to be string of x divided by 1. So if length of S is lesser than or equal to 10 power 4, we return S. Okay, if it's a whole number, okay. Okay, I accidentally paused the video in between, but basically what I've done is, um, so I'll explain it in the end after I get it. But let's see what's going on. Oh, I need to increment count as well. So count plus equal to 1. So left comma right initially is equal to -1. And then L comma R is equal to cache of x comma count current count. Okay, and now whole is dot plus decimal up to left plus decimal of left to R plus 1. This, I don't know if this is right, but let's check. One, two, three. I think it's just R. L to R. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Why is it 0? Up to L. 0 to L. Perfect. Wow. Okay, we do have it. Okay, there's negative. Fine, let's do negative thing. I don't think this should be hard. Let's just do positive first. Check if it works. If it's 6.25. Okay, so if it's negative, okay, fine. So uh if x, wait, parity is equal to x star y, x is equal to absolute of x, y is equal to absolute of y. Okay. Now if parity is negative, right? Parity, right? This fine. So if parity is x is equal to 0, return if parity is negative, if parity is lesser than 0, parity is lesser than 0, flag is equal to if not flag. If not flag, we do that. If flag, we need a negative sign in the beginning. Am I right? Yeah, negative sign. So this plus a negative sign should suffice. Perfect. Same thing here. So if flag. Okay, this should be fine, I guess. Perfect. Okay, I don't think we need this either. Do we need this? We do need it. Okay. Let's just have it there. If x is equal to 0, return 0. I don't know if we need that. Okay. So, okay, so what we're doing here is, um, now this, basically we have two numbers, x and y. And let's say x is 2, y is 3. And we're manually checking, doing 2 by 3. So first we multiply 2 with 10, 20 by 3, integer division. So that will give you 6. And the new remainder will be 20 minus 6 times 3, which is 18. So 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. Now we get x is 2 again, the new 2. And since 2, we add this to a cache and we store the index, which is the count. And since the new 2 is already there in the cache, so the new count here is 1. So 0 to 1 are the indices of the repeating sequence. So that's what we're storing here, L and R. L and R are the repeating sequence. And after that, it's just a matter of string concatenation, and then we return the answer. Yeah, it it might be a little messy, but this was the solution. Yeah. And the flag is for checking whether the result is a negative number or a positive number. Um, so if both the numerator and the denominator are negative, or if both of them are positive, that means the result is also positive. So if either of them are negative, that means this will yield a negative answer. And after that, we set flag as true, and we just add a negative symbol in the beginning if the flag is true. So yeah, that was the solution. Thank you for watching.